Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life and help you to become your highest and best self. You know, there's something we can stop doing, and this one thing is going to make a huge difference in your life, and I want to share that with you. And there's a great model that is out there on the internet that I've been sharing, and that is going to make a huge difference for you. So this one thing that we want to stop doing is complaining and blaming. And let me explain why. Because when we do that, we get into what's called a victim loop. We complain, we blame, we deny, we avoid. Those are things that people who are victims do. And I say, the model is that we're victims because we're now giving the power to somebody else. We're letting somebody else control us. So when we complain and blame, we're no longer in control. They are. We're saying that they're smarter, or they know something better, or we're not as intelligent, or we're not worthy, and so we give our power away right away. And that's not true, is it? I mean, when we blame and complain, wouldn't we rather be in intention, where we recognize and take responsibility and take action and start getting results? That's so much better. It feels so much better. And I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can do that. The 3 ways are to do something that you might not be aware of, but it's called affirmations, and that's where you affirm things, you say things to yourself. Some people don't like those because it goes against your beliefs. You might say, I'm smart, I'm lean, I'm strong, but then you look in the mirror and you look at yourself and you say, oh, that's not really true, is it? And so affirmations might not work for you, but you can use something really interesting called confirmations. And confirmations are where you ask yourself those questions. Am I lean? Will I be lean? Will I be strong? Will I be the best I can be? Once you ask those questions, there's a part of our mind that's called the RAS, and this part turns on and starts to solve the problem. It's trying to find the solution to this problem, and it's looking for confirmation of that, which is kind of interesting. So if you want to shift from complaining and blaming to recognizing and stepping forward and getting results, then you need to either affirm, tell your mind what you want to do, or ask, which is using confirmation. So you're looking for confirmations of the things you're asking for, or you can visualize. And visualization works really well if you can do it. The biggest part of our brain is called the prefrontal cortex. It's 40% of our mind. And it's our imagination, and we can use it. But when we don't use it, guess what? Anything happens. Lots of things happen. We're in reactive mode. We're no longer proactive. We're no longer taking control of what's going on. If we don't control our thoughts, we don't get to focus. And what I'm trying to help you do is to understand your mind and how it works. And so you can focus it and get what you want. So like I was saying, there's 2 perspectives. One is you can be in the victim loop where you blame, complain, deny, or you can be in the accountability, the intention loop, where you are being focused, you're recognizing, taking action, moving forward, getting results, and then looking back in appreciation. All right, if you like this, let me know below. Comment below if you want more information. Also let me know. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.